So, today I'm going to take apart this Eagle Paper Fastener. According to the manual, you need to take this axle out, and then I can get this entire thing out. So let's give it a whack. I already put some penetrating oil on the axle yesterday, so I had a good night to work itself in. I'm just gonna put this over here. This is just a piece of felt I usually put underneath my typewriters, and by doing it like this, I think I can whack on it a bit without damaging anything else. That's the idea. I'm also going to use this tiny little piece of jeans that I cut, and then it's a 8mm driver I'm going to put on here, and then it's a tiny hammer that I'm going to use to be hammering away. It's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. So there we go. Finally managed to push it back far enough. Hallelujah. That's one end. Now the other end involves unhooking a spring, it seems. And then punching this axle out. Do I want to go that far? I guess I am. In for a penny, in for a pound, as they say. Do I have a driver that's small enough for that one? Let's find out. I happen to have. Yep. Small driver. I can get this pin out. And now I need this one. Seems to be willing to move on its own. There we go. That's roughly fully dismantled. Or almost fully dismantled. Time for cleaning. So, something else I noticed is this block comes out, and beneath it is a giant rubber block, which used to be glued to it, which is now a very hard brick, of course. I'm guessing that thing is supposed to give it some way, which it doesn't give anymore, of course. Right. Oh my god. Gunky shit. I'm gonna put this aside. Use some isopropyl alcohol to dissolve a bit of all this stuff. Yummy, yummy. Just gonna let it sit. In the meantime, I'm going to clean everything else. I'm just gonna get rid of all the solvents and icky thing that's on it. It's an excellent degreaser. Safe to use on metal. Oh, dat is misschien niet nodig. Ah, dit is het. Still good. Just try it. Next step, polishing. This is just some demineralized water. You can just use regular water. I really do not care. And some Flitz Polish.